I know what I want. I just don't know how to ask it. This video is for you. A lot of people think prompts are about being clever with AI. They're not. People don't buy prompts because they love tools. They buy them because they're frustrated, stuck, and so tired of wasting time. And today, I want to explain what's really going on and why prompts work when they're done right. Here's what I see over and over again. Smart people, capable people, sitting in front of AI, feeling slower, not faster. Not because they aren't intelligent, but because AI doesn't respond to intent. It responds to clarity. And when you don't know how to phrase what you want, you end up rewriting the same request 5 different times, correcting the output again and again, and second guessing whether you're the problem. If you can relate to this, comment yes, that's me below. That's the quiet frustration nobody talks about. AI becomes a time bandit instead of a time saver. You'll often hear, just experiment with it. But here's the truth. Experimenting without structure is exhausting, especially if you already have limited time. Most people don't need creativity. They need a starting point that actually works. That's the gap prompts fill. Not inspiration, my friends, traction. Good prompts aren't magic commands. They're clarity translators. They do 3 things. Help you ask better questions and reduce mental overload and absolutely eliminate that blank screen moment. So in other words, prompts replace uncertainty with direction. And once you experience that relief, even just once, you don't want to go back. That's why people pay for prompts, not because they can't write words, but because they want to stop guessing. Prompts are especially valuable for people who are smart but short on time, feel behind with AI and don't want to admit it. If that's you, comment yes, that's me. Want results, not tinkering, and care about clarity and efficiency. My friends, this isn't about shortcuts. It's about removing unnecessary friction. And that's a real growing need. Prompts fail when they're sold as AI hacks or clever tricks or novelty tools. They work when they're positioned as problem solvers, thinking aids, decision-making support. If AI is felt harder than it should be, the problem isn't you. It's that no one showed you how to ask for what you already know you need. And that's what good prompts are for. So in the future, I'll share how to use prompts to get clarity faster, without overwhelm and without hype. Hey, subscribe. If this sounds so much like you and you need help, I'm going to give you a free prompt today to help with that clarity. Comment me below and I'll send it over. Rebel Granny out.